a pre, me no trust nobody. Bad mind inna them and a the worstest disease. Me a pre, me no trust nobody. Bad mind inna them and a the worstest disease. Them a no friend, them a frenzy.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? Khago is denying allegations about him being a member of the Freemason secret society and states that critics are trying to smear his reputation. He also stated that persons were tracing the pattern of his career and claiming that his progression wasn't normal because he was the first artist to bust off Reggae Sumfest.
All over me, I just see y'all all over me. She over him but she can't get over me. Like a light blanket, she cover me. I said she loving me. All over me, I just see y'all all over me. She over him but she can't get over me. Like a light blanket, she cover me. I said she loving me.
What the deal? Elephant Man 2002 Red Mercedes Benz and Bounty Killers 1998 White Land Cruiser VX and 2006 White Range Rover Sport HSE are being advertised by the Tax Administration of Jamaica for auction.
The Red Mercedes Benz is for Elephant Man, and the White Land Cruiser and the White Range Rover is for Bounty Killer. They're up for public auction. They can get them back if they pay up the outstanding taxes that they were owing for, and that's where they were seized. All offers to bid closing on next Friday, as advertised.
What the deal? Mavado is to return to court on March 7, where he will answer to charges of malicious destruction of property and assault.
Oh, I ain't for started, now we run down to the soap. When them see me make a mad step with me and my troops. They cater to me low. Me a sniper, me know overshoot. Man a striker, them a hitchhiker, gunshot bite them like a fraud. Just the devil is a fucking slave to me evil click. The fuckers get me cross, I know me rise the evil stick.
What the deal? Vybz Kartel, Gaza Slim and Pimpin is to return to court on May 8 to answer charges of conspiracy to pervert the court of justice and attempting to pervert the court of justice.
Them want me dead, me still living. So Father God, me thanksgiving. And where them want to end, it just begin. Put off the early grave begin. Me no want nobody miss me. Maybe do the missing and the reminiscing. And teeth hissing. Me hotter than Renaissance reading. Box, Dr. Trey, when him a play, which job him bring with him? More life, more money, more wife, more life. No more lane, no more strife, more life. Both more touch overdrive. Me a destiny child, me have to survive. More life.
What the deal? People, make sure you check out the islandvibes.com for the latest music, news and mixtape. It is very easy to sign up, so come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
I am so nice. I am so nice. I am so nice. I am so.
I brush her rub up on my teeth like a chicken gravy. She make me feel like a little baby. I pussy time, I think I'm Madam Mary. I just so nice, but think I gotta save me. And she come in on my house and she never afraid it.